guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are sharing pixie hairstyles specifically for women over 60. The pixie cut is timeless, chic and incredibly versatile. Whether you're looking to embrace your natural grey, add some color or just try something new, the pixie cut might be the perfect fit for you. Pixie cuts can vary greatly in length and style, making them suitable for every face shape and personality. From classic cuts to modern twists, there's a pixie for everyone. First, let's talk about the classic pixie cut. This style is short all over with a bit of texture on top. It's easy to maintain and looks effortlessly stylish. The classic pixie cut is perfect for those who want a low maintenance yet sophisticated look. It highlights your face and its features and gives you a youthful vibe. Next, we have the textured pixie. This style adds more layers and volume to the traditional pixie, giving it a playful and modern touch. The textured pixie is great for adding movement and dimension to your hair. It's perfect if you love a bit of volume and a carefree look. For those who love a bit of edge, the Asymmetrical Pixie is a fantastic choice. This cuts features longer hair on one side and shorter on the other, creating a bold and contemporary look. The Asymmetrical Pixie is daring and unique, perfect for making a fashion statement. It shows off your personality and confidence. And finally, let's not forget the curly pixie. If you have naturally curly or very wavy hair, embracing those curls with the pixie cut can look absolutely stunning. The curly pixie is fun and lively, highlighting your natural texture and giving you a youthful, vibrant look. Whatever your preference, a pixie cut combined with the right color can truly make you stand out and feel confident. Remember to consult with your hairstylist to find the perfect cut and color that suits your personality and lifestyle. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more beauty and style tips. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay fabulous.